Most people open Claude, type a question, get an answer, and call it a day. That's fine. But that's also maybe 15% of what Claude can actually do. There are 7 things inside Claude's ecosystem right now, and most people using Claude have never even heard of half of them. I am going to walk you through all of them, what they do, when to use them, and by the end you will know which one you should be using today. So there are these 6 products and there are some add-ons. Let's start with Claude Desktop. This is an app that brings basically 3 things under one roof: Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. Instead of jumping between your browser, your terminal, your other tools, you have one app in your computer that handles all of it. Think of it as a control center for Claude products. Everything I am about to show you either lives in this app or connects to it. Next in the list is Claude Chat. It is the one you may already know. You go to Claude.ai, you type something, you get an answer. It works in your browser, on your phone, on desktop, same Claude, same conversation, synced everywhere. It's good for quick questions, brainstorming, and research. If you have never used Claude before, this is where you start. But if you're already here, keep watching, because the rest of this is what actually changes how you work. Next in the list is Claude Projects. Projects is one of the most slept on feature that Claude has. It lets you create a dedicated workspace with its own instructions and memory. I have a YouTube project where I've given Claude full context about my channel, my niche, my style, my past video ideas. So every time I open that project to brainstorm a new video idea, Claude already knows what I'm doing. I don't have to re-explain every single time what I'm doing. If you have any recurring work like content creation, coding, client research, build a project for it. It saves stupid amount of time and tokens. If you are watching the video till now, please consider subscribing. It really helps. Next is Claude Cowork. Cowork is where things get interesting. It's a desktop app. Unlike Claude Chat, it can actually see the files on your computer. Wait, that means we are in a danger zone now, and you have to be cautious of the folders that you give it access to. It doesn't just talk to you, it works on your computer. Real files, real output. Here's an example. I have downloaded some Pokemon images from the Orange Island League season. I told Cowork to create a PowerPoint presentation in Pokédex style. It went into the folder, read the pictures, and built the whole PPT for me, without me touching a single slide. That's the difference. Chat tells you how to do things. Cowork does them. It's best for anything involving files, organizing folders, creating documents, drafting emails, summarizing reports. If you have ever wished Claude could just do the things instead of telling you how to do them, Cowork is your answer. Next is Claude Design. This one is brand new. Claude Design lets you describe what you want to build visually, a website, a landing page, a UI, and it generates a working design prototype that you can export to Figma or Canva or any design tool that you use. I downloaded this cal.com design and imported that design into Claude Design and asked it to create a front page design for my app Catchup. And it went ahead and created this design for me. You can use markup and ask Claude to change this tagline and it will do it for you. And once you are happy with the design, you can directly hand off this design to Claude Code. This removes an entire step from your workflow. Next in the list and most hyped up tool in Anthropic's arsenal is Claude Code. It is available as GUI in Claude Desktop and it is also available as TUI, which is Terminal User Interface inside Terminal. It's an agentic coding tool, which means it doesn't just write code, it reads your files, runs commands, writes and edits code and tests it. You tell it what to build and it goes and builds it. Let's go to Claude Design, take this handoff to Claude Code, copy this command and paste it here. Created this catchup.html. Let's open it. Claude Code created this web page. You can also use dispatch and control Claude Code from your phone, which as a developer I am not comfortable with, but some people do use it, so you can give it a try. Also, here's my honest take, and I say this as someone who actually codes. Claude Code is incredible, but it also comes with risks if you don't know what you are doing. It might delete a database. It might push sensitive API keys to public GitHub repo. It can make big changes fast, and fast cuts both ways. That said, if you are building something for yourself just to learn or experiment, I genuinely think you should try it. It's one of the most interesting tools I have used. But if you are building for real users, please take some time to understand the technology you are working with. Claude Code won't protect you from bad decisions. It will just execute them faster. So the next in the list are add-ons, which are skills, connectors, and plugins. These 3 are multipliers and they make everything else more powerful. Skills are basically instruction files for Claude. You write a set of directions for a specific task. Say always remove signs of AI generated writing from text, or always follow this structure while writing. And Claude reads those instructions every time that task comes up. Set it once and use it forever. You can use skills from Anthropic partners, or you can create your own skills. Then there are connectors. Connectors are what give Claude access to external tools. Right now there are 200 of them. Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, Google Calendar, Notion, Figma. You install a connector like Gmail, sign in, and in the same conversation, Claude can create draft, get thread, list drafts, list labels, search threads. Basically, this connector gives Claude the access to Gmail MCP server. Now I'm using Humanizer skill to write an email and send it to this email address using Gmail. It will use the create draft method of Gmail connector and it will create a draft email in the right side window. Let's refresh. So this email was completely created by Claude in front of you. Then there are plugins. Plugins are basically bundles. In this task, I had to mention a skill and also had to mention the connector to create a draft inside Gmail. If I'm using plugin, the skill and the connector both come together as a single package and you just call the plugin, the skill gets used, also the email gets drafted. So here's the quick version. Claude Desktop is the hub. Chat is for thinking. Projects keep Claude in the same context and same memory. Cowork handles your files. Claude Design builds you UI. Claude Code builds you software. And skills, connectors, plugin extend everything. You don't need to master everything today, but now you know it exists. And honestly, that puts you ahead of most of the people using Claude. If you want a deep dive on any of these, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.